This guide will help you reduce high ping issues in PUBG, allowing for a smoother gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching PUBG, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, and other online activities. Step 3. Change server region. In the game settings, navigate to the server selection option and choose a server that is closer to your geographical location. This can help reduce latency and improve your ping. Step 4. Use a VPN. Consider using a VPN service that is known for gaming. A good VPN can help you connect to a faster route to the game's servers, potentially lowering your ping. Step 5. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for performance. Lowering graphics settings can help improve frame rates and reduce lag, which can indirectly help with ping issues. By following these steps, you should be able to manage and improve your ping in PUBG, leading to a better gaming experience. Happy gaming!